Good evening, everyone. This is Nadia Agherdine from the Salt River Nature Park. During this time of faith and family, may the true meaning of Christmas fill you with joy. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year ahead. We wish you have a safe and relaxing holiday season. Despite the challenges of the year, we have had a very successful 2020. The Nature Park turned 1 in April, and we started 2 more community gardens, one in Kipling and one in Chatham Streets, and would like to send out a big thank you to all for the amazing contributions. Thank you and good evening.